We're gonna make a pineapple chicken from start to finish, guys. Enjoy this recipe. Please give me a thumbs up. Hi guys, welcome to Selvin Kitchen today, guys. In Selvin Kitchen, we're gonna cook a pineapple chicken. I did have a video already with pineapple chicken, so that one I have to take it down through some technical problem. So this is another video of pineapple chicken in Selvin Kitchen. So over here, guys, we have one pineapple. But we ain't gonna use all of this pineapple. We're gonna peel this pineapple. I'm gonna show you how we're gonna prepare the pineapple chicken. So over here we have half of green bell pepper. We have half of yellow bell pepper. We have two medium-sized carrots. We have one medium-sized white onion. We have one stalk of spring onion. We have a piece of dried thyme. We have 5 tablespoons of vegetable oil. We have 4 cloves of garlic. We have a piece of ginger we already grated already. We have a teaspoon of all-purpose season. We have a quarter of a teaspoon of smoked paprika. We have a teaspoon of chicken season. We have 1 lime we're going to use to wash the chicken. So over here we have 3 leg and thigh. We're going to use some salt. It's an awesome, delicious recipe in Selvin Kitchen.